My opinion, the best gas-powered tools for your yard are Stihl. They take care of you, they always deliver. Now let's take a second to take care of it. What is up, guys, and welcome back. Check it out. Today I got my Stihl FS80R weed eater or trimmer, whatever you want to call it. This video is for the homeowner. I don't think a lot of homeowners know this. If you're a mechanic or you work for Stihl or some repair, you probably already know. I think a lot of people don't know that this is a maintenance thing that you can do on your weed eater to make it last a lot longer, to make it run and perform a lot better. It'll literally only take you 1 minute. The product costs $15, so let me show it to you. With my Stihl equipment, I use all original Stihl parts. This is what you want to get. It's made by Stihl. It's called the Multi-Lube 80. Check your weed eater for this before you order this to make sure you have this adapter on there. When you come right up to your head right here, you'll have an access screw right there. Just kind of knock off any kind of grass and mud and everything that gets all up in there. It's a 1/2 inch, and it also has a Torx T25. Pop that off. I would recommend you do this maybe every year, every other year, depending on how much you trim. Now you've got that threaded hole. The beauty of this, that screws right into your factory connection there. You get a nice fill, just squeeze this up to get rid of that air pocket, because you don't want to squeeze that air pocket into it. Get a little nipple on there. Into the factory hole. Squeeze that in until there's a little pressure and it feels like it's packed. You can tell it actually kind of needed some. Plug goes back in. It rolled around nice and easy before, but it had a little bit of a clicking noise, a little noise to it. So hopefully this shows you it'll get rid of that. I already tell a difference. Perfect. So the noise is completely gone. And I forgot to tell you, this also fits their chainsaws and their hedge trimmers. So if you got Stihl stuff laying around and you don't have this as a homeowner, you need it. That was so quick, so easy. So check it out. I want to pay one off. My dad weed eats all the time. He's obsessed with it. You go to his house, he's weed eating. You go the next day, he's weed eating. You go a week later, he's weed eating. He weed eats like crazy. He's probably got 5 million miles on the head of that thing. Let's go over there right now and drop some in his weed eater and see how much it takes. We'll do a before and after of what his sounds like, because I guarantee you it's got a lot more miles on it than that one. Just took a good amount. The rattle's gone. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. Hopefully you liked the video. If it helped you out, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If it didn't help you, if you didn't like it, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours fun. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Come back for the next ones. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace. Got your